In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Relume designs into Webflow, a process that will make your transition from design to development seamless and efficient. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow Marketplace. You'll find it in your dashboard under the Marketplace tab. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll need to access the Apps section. This is where you'll discover a variety of tools designed to enhance your Webflow experience. Next, what you want to do is search for the Relume Site Builder Import application. The search function in the marketplace is straightforward. Simply type in Relume Site Builder Import and it should pop up right away. This app is crucial as it's specifically designed to facilitate the import of your designs from Relume into Webflow, bridging the gap between these two platforms. Once you've located the app, you'll see an option to install app. Go ahead and click on that. The installation process is guided, so follow the prompts as they appear on your screen. This will likely include confirming the installation and granting necessary permissions. Don't worry, these steps are all part of safely integrating the app into your Webflow workspace. After the installation completes, it's time to open your project in Webflow. Navigate back to your dashboard and select the project you want to work on. Keep in mind the app is associated with specific projects, so make sure you have the right one open. From here, glance over to the left panel of your Webflow interface. There you will see an Apps option. Click on it to view all the apps you've installed. Look for the Relume app in the list. It's a little icon that should stand out, and once you find it, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a launch button appear. Click on Launch, and the app will start up in your workspace. For first-time users, you will be prompted to log into your Relume account. If you don't have one yet, visit Relume's website and set up an account prior to starting this process. Logging in is a one-time step to ensure that your Relume designs sync properly with Webflow. Lastly, it's important to point out that to utilize the full range of import features, a pro account with Relume is required. If you haven't upgraded yet, consider doing so to unlock these functionalities. This investment can be worthwhile if you frequently iterate between your design and development phases. And there you have it, everything you need to know to effectively bring your Relume designs into Webflow. This process not only saves you time, but also retains the integrity and quality of your original designs, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.